guys, today we are making spam musubi, a plant-based version of course, and you can follow this exact recipe with any other spam that you want to use. And I'm gonna use plant-based eggs, so if you want to use a regular egg and regular spam, you can definitely do it, but I'm going to use Omni pork spam. Not sponsored, I just love this product, so hope you guys give a try if you are interested in. So I'm gonna make spam musubi with this Omni luncheon meat. All right, so I'm gonna heat a skillet to medium high. Oh, by the way, how cute my skillet! I got this from Amazon Japan, and Amazon Japan actually delivered to America. So if you are interested in, check it out. It's super fun product to use when you are making like a bento box or things like that, They don't look like they're gonna fit in this pan, but they will eventually. By the way, I started cooking rice already. I like to making hapa rice. In Hawaii, we call it hapa rice. It means half and half rice. I use a half of white short grain rice and another half of brown short grain rice. So I just mix them together, wash it, and I just start to cooking. Water measurement is I always do is just put the water and put my palm on top of the rice and just put water till my knuckle, and it always do the magic. Bring the rice to boil, and when it's boiling, go ahead and mix the rice thoroughly, cover it back up, reduce the heat to low, and simmer for 10 to 12 minutes. Turn off the heat and let it seal and rest and finish cooking for extra 10 minutes. I'm going to make egg omelette as well. Yeah, I'm cooking two different things at one time. All right, while the egg and spam are cooking, let's make the teriyaki sauce. Teriyaki sauce is super easy. So all you need is equal part of the soy sauce and mirin. And if you don't have a mirin or cannot use a mirin, you can just use water, little pinch of salt and sugar, okay? And half amount of sweetener, the sugar, agave nectar, maple syrup, whatever you decide to use. Oh, it's almost like a 1-to-1. It's okay. And in here, if you want to add a little more extra flavor, you can add maybe grated ginger, chopped garlic, and whatever you want. You can add a little sake too, like the same amount as soy sauce or mirin, but I'm just gonna skip it. Pour half of this teriyaki sauce, because I'm gonna cook one more batch of spam. Yes, it's gonna be so good. First batch of spam looks good. I'm gonna take it out. Looks so good, nice and glazed spam. Let's go ahead and cut our kim, the dried seaweed, 2 sheets because we are making 4 spam musubis. If you have this spam musubi mold, it will be very convenient to use because it's so much easier, especially when you're using plant-based spam or luncheon meat. Because if you're using actual spam, you can use that spam container, but plant-based luncheon meat doesn't come with a container, so having something like this is super convenient. You can find this really easily from Amazon or your local Japanese or Asian grocery store, so check it out. If I just cut it half, just like this, will be actually perfect. Oh yeah, perfect. Fold it and then go knife through it like this. It's a trick that I learned from my dad. Get the rice, and a lot of you probably thinking like, Seonkyoung, brown rice and white rice have a different cooking time. Like, how are you cooking it together and like it'll be done in the same time? Like, I don't know what it is. In Korea, we always cook them same and never had a problem. So I'm like, I don't know what to tell you. The cooking time might be different, but whenever they're together, they're cooking it same. Maybe the brown rice is not like opened it up, like fully cooked, and that's not how I like my brown rice anyway, so it works for me. Look at that, perfectly cooked rice. I don't know what you're talking about. Rice is good to go. We don't have to season the rice separately like we do for kimbap or sushi. This is just a plano rice. Bring the spam mold. Actually, I think I need about 1/3 cup. I have like 3 spoons on my pot. And after you put the rice, you smoosh down like this. Then we're gonna sprinkle some furikake. This is my homemade furikake, and this is my store-bought furikake that has ume flavor. And then 1 spam and 1 egg omelette we made. Everything fits perfectly. It's amazing. Push this, the mold top, and then take the mold out. Gently push it, don't push too hard. Ta-ta! Grab your kim, seaweed, put it right in the middle, and go around the side, and then wrap it around. Perfect! Make sure when you're wrapping the musubi, the shiny part outside and the rough part inside, because shiny part looks a little more pretty. You know what I mean? Try my furikake this time. Oh, this egg a little big. Squeeze it in. It's like we squeeze ourselves into skinny jeans. Don't act like you don't know what I'm talking about. Everybody thumbs up for Jacob, who's sweating off his ass to film the good booty porn shot for you guys to enjoy. You know what I mean? I mean, for me to enjoy actually too. Awesome. I actually got my little doshirak out. It's a bento box. I got this from Japan when we were traveling Japan. You don't have to cut them, but ba-bum, ba-bum. When you're cutting the musubi, it's actually helpful if you wipe it down the knife with wet kitchen towel. The rest of the empty spot I'm gonna fill up with my cabbage salad. It's all about balance, guys, all about balance. Luncheon meat, imitation meat, none of them are really healthy for you, but you cannot live without them though, you know what I mean? So. It's so good. Let me just do this. 5-second roll. Guys, if you liked my plant-based spam musubi recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more delicious and authentic plant-based Asian recipes. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye guys, I hope you try, and leave a comment below, anything, whatever you want to say, because I love reading your comments. And yeah, I will see you next time. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.
Still feels like summer, and I simply don't wanna see the cool wind sneak back in our town. But I guess I'll just put on my favorite sweater and say goodbye to summer.